Hi friends, welcome to the channel eQuest by Sureka. In this video, we can discuss one of the most important programs in C language for TCS NQT, National Qualifier Test. That program is a write a C program to find the given year is a leap year or not. So first of all, you have to know the condition to check the year is leap year or not. What is the condition to check the year is a leap year or not? First, suppose take a year 1987. It is leap year or not? Condition is if this year is divisible by 4, then that is leap year. Otherwise, non-leap year. No need to divide entire year by 4. Simply divide last two digits by 4. If it is completely divisible, then that is leap year. Otherwise, non-leap year. See here, 87 by 4. This is not completely divisible. 3 is a remainder. So, 1987 is non-leap year. Take another example. Present year 2020. Again check it is leap year or not. Divided by 4. 5 times completely cancelled. Remainder is 0. So 2020 is completely divisible by 4, then this is called leap year. Take one more example. Suppose 1700. Again check divisibility rule by 4. Last two digits divisible by 4. Yes, of course it is divisible by 4. But this is not a leap year. This is a non-leap year, not a leap year. Although it is divisible by 4, it is not leap year. Condition is if the given year is multiples of 100. See here 1700, 17 into 100. This is a multiple of 100. If the given year is multiples of 100, then you should check by 400, not by 4. Very important. See, 1700 is a multiple of 100. So, 1700 divided by 400. If it is completely divisible by 400, then 1700 is leap year. Otherwise, that is non-leap year. See here 17 by 4. 1 is a remainder. Not completely divisible. So, this is a non-leap year. Take one more example. 2000. It is also multiple of 100. So, check by 400. Then 0, 0, 0, 0 cancelled and 4, 5 times cancelled. Remainder is 0. So, 2000 is leap year. So, here take the year and check that year is a multiple of 100 or not. If it is a multiple of 100, then check it is divisible by 400 or not. If it is completely divisible by 400, then that is leap year. Otherwise, non-leap year. Another condition is if the year is not a multiple of 100, then go for divisibility of 4. Divide by 4. Then if you get a remainder 0, then that is leap year. Otherwise, that is non-leap year. Now before going to write a C program, you should know control statements in C language. One of the control structures or statements in C language is if. It is 4 types. One is simple if, second one is if else, third one is nested if, and fourth one is if else ladder. See the syntax of if control structure. Syntax is if within normal brackets write a condition. Don't give semicolon after writing this condition. If within brackets condition, flower bracket open, write your statements You want to execute if this condition is true. Then close flower bracket. This is called a simple if. If this condition is true, then these statements will be executed. For suppose there is a single statement, then no need to use these flower brackets. Directly if condition, then write this single statement. After checking this condition, if this condition is true, then single statement will be executed. For suppose in this syntax there are no parentheses or brackets, then only one statement will be executed. Simply, if you want to execute two or more statements, if this condition is true, then write within flower brackets. If there is a single statement, then write without using these curly brackets. We can use curly brackets. No need to write if there is a single statement. Suppose if this condition is false, I want to execute some more statements. So else. If corresponding else block, else, then write your statements here. This else block will be executed if this condition is false. This is if else syntax. Now coming to the program, write a C program to check the given year is leap year or not. So first of all, you have to take the year from the keyboard as an input. Then by using conditions, check that is leap year or not. Then finally display it is leap year or non-leap year. See here, I want to write the program title leap year or not. See in this statement, I used two slashes, forward slashes. It is called single line comment. This is called single line comment. Actually program means the set of instructions. But here this is not an instruction. Compiler did not identify this comment block. If you want to write any explanation or any titles, use comment section. This is a single line comment. A leap year or not. First part is header files inclusion. So hash include stdio.h. This is one header file. I want to include one more header file, that is conio.h. Actually, header files are collection of functions. Each function means that is a subprogram. There are some predefined functions in C language. Those functions declarations present in these header files. I want to use some functions present in these header files. That's why I included these header files in my program. Hash include stdio.h. stdio means standard input output header file. And here conio means console input output header file. Now see main program section, void main, all are small letters, flower bracket open. Then write your program, your statements in this main block. Every C program execution starts from main function. Now here I want to take a year from the keyboard. So here this is variable declaration section int y. Here I declared a variable name is y, that is which type? Int. Because year is a number, integer type. Int is a keyword, all are small letters. This is a data type. Integer type of variable name is y. Here variable is nothing but named memory location. Here this is a memory location. Compiler allocates 2 bytes of memory to this variable y. Name is y. Named memory location is called variable. Variable name is y. For which purpose I declared this variable? To place the given year in that memory block. Then see CLR SCR. This is a predefined function. The declaration of this function present in this header file conio.h. I want to use this clear screen, that's why I included this conio.h here. What is the use of clear screen function? It is used to clear the output screen. I want to clear the previous output or previous result from the output screen. I want to display only the output of this program. That's why I used clear screen here. For suppose after writing this program, I want to explain another program. Without erasing this, I want to write here another program. That is not clear. That is little bit confusing. First of all, I want to rub it. Then I want to explain next program. Like that, I want to clear the output screen. To clear the output screen, to display the only the output of this program, I used clear screen function. This declaration is present in which header file? Conio.h. Next, to display any message at result screen means output screen, use the function printf. Printf, within double quotations, write your message. Which message you want to display at output screen? Write that message within quotations. Printf. There is no space in between print and f. This is only one word. All are small letters. Printf, bracket open, within quotations, write your message. Enter any year. After this, I want to display colon. This is not a rule. Just to display colon, I wrote here. Enter any year within double quotations. Every statement must be ends with a semicolon. Okay, I entered some year. That year should be placed in which memory location? This memory location. What is the name? Y. To read the input from the keyboard, function is scanf. Scanf %d. Within double quotations, write the format specifier of the data type. This is the syntax of scanf. %d is a format specifier of integer data type, comma, address of y. I want to place the given year in the address of the variable y. This is the syntax of scanf. I think already all of you know very well. Scanf %d, comma, address of y. Given year is placed in this memory location. For suppose I entered 1900. That 1900 is placed in this memory location. After that, write the condition to check the given year is leap year or not. Here, use if control structure. If it is a keyword. Keyword means a reserved word in any programming language. Small letters, if, within normal brackets, write the condition. First of all, I want to check the given year is multiple of 100 or not. So, if y modulo 100 equal to 0. This is the condition to check the year is multiple of 100 or not. Don't give semicolon after this condition. If this condition is true, then I want to check one more condition. If y modulo 400 equal to 0. Here first condition means given year is a multiple of 100 or not. If that is multiple of 100, then go for second condition. Divisible by 400. If this is true, then the given year is leap year. So here printf given year is a leap year. Just to display a message, write given year is leap year. But I want to display the year also. So given year, for suppose 1900 is non-leap year, like that. So given year %d is leap year, comma, here format specifier is %d. Year is present in which variable? Y, comma, y, semicolon. the value present in this y will be displayed in this percent d. For suppose I entered 2000, then here given year 2000 is a leap year is the output. Because 2000 is present in this y, the value of that y is present in this place of percent d, format specifier. This is only one statement. That's why I did not use flower brackets. We can use. But if there are more statements, more than one statement, then you should use flower brackets. Then else part of this if. Else printf given year. If these two conditions are true, actually this is nested if. One if condition is present in another if, then that is called nested if. If both these statements are true, then this statement will be executed. If this statement is true, then this is not true, then else block will be executed. So curly bracket. For suppose first condition is false, means given year is not multiple of 100. Then what? Check for one more condition. That is y modulo 4 equal to 0. Then see other condition. Else if y modulo 4 equal to 0, then printf percent d is leap year, comma y. Else, if this condition is false, not divisible by 4, then else block will be executed, then that is non-leap year. Percent d is non-leap year, comma y. Then else block closing. Then here get ch, then main function closing. I want to write within comment main function closing. Compiler will not execute this statement. Actually, this is not an instruction. This is just a comment to identify the user. Main function closing. For easy understanding, write your own sentences or explanations in comments section. This brace is main function closing bracket. Now see the dry run of this program. Dry run means without using any software, run this program or execute this program manually. Dry run. Take example, here y is equal to 1987 for suppose. Entered year is 1987. That value is placed in this memory location 1987, and here enter any year. Already year is entered, that year is placed in this y. Then if y modulo 100 equal to 0, here modulo means it gives a remainder. If the remainder after divided by 100 is 0, then this condition will be executed. See, the given year is 1987. That is not a multiple of 100. So this is false. Then control does not goes to this condition. This condition is false, then goes to the else part of this block, that is this. Then else if y modulo 4 equal to 0, 1987 modulo 4 equal to 0, no, this condition is also false, then else block of this if will be executed. Now see, percent d is a non-leap year. What is the value present in y? 1987. So 1987 is a non-leap year is the result. Next one, second example. For suppose now I have entered year is 2020. So here year is 2020. Then if y modulo 100 equal to 0, again this condition is false. Now control comes to here. 2020 modulo 4 equal to 0. Yes. This condition satisfied. So control comes here. Then percentage is leap year. Means 2020 is leap year is the output. Then third one. Y equal to 2000. Now see, if 2000 modulo 100 equal to 0. Yes, of course, 2000 is a multiple of 100. This condition is true. Then control comes to here. 2000 modulo 400 equal to 0. Yes, again, this condition is also true. 2000 by 400 remainder is 0. Now, this statement will be executed. Given year 2000 is leap year. Then directly control comes to here, get ch and closing bracket. These statements will not be executed. That is the advantage of if else block. If this condition is true, then this statement is executed. Otherwise, goes to the else part. So here 2020 is leap year. And 2000 is also leap year. Next, fourth one. Y is equal to 1700. Now see, 1700 modulo 100 equal to 0. Yes, 1700 is a multiple of 100. So this is true. Now control comes to here. Then 1700 modulo 400. This condition is false. If this condition is false, then control comes to here. Else part will be executed. That is given year 1700 is non-leap year. Then finally control comes to here, get ch, then closing bracket. This is the execution of this program, leap year or not. Now see this program in the editor. To write and execute C programs, open C software present in your computer. In my laptop, software is Turbo C++. This is for both C and C++ programs. You want to open this? You can see here, go to file menu and take a new file, new. To resize this window, shortcut is F5. Press F5, then press tab key to maintain indentation. Indentation means a margin. No need to maintain a margin, but for better understanding, maintain margin. In the program, we can use if block, else block, etc. So, for clear understanding, use margin and indentation. I want to use tab key from the keyboard. Okay, now write the program. This is a comment section. Given year is leap year or not. Then write your program #include stdio.h. On more header file #include conio.h. Like that, write entire program. See, this is the program. After writing this program, save this. To save, go to file. Shortcut is Alt F. Then use save. Directly press F2 to save the file. Then give a name. But suppose the name of the file is leap.c. No need to give extension because this editor is always in C.c. Sometimes here extension will be .cpp. In that time you have to mention the extension .c. Here no need to give .c. Leap, then OK. Overwrite existing file. In this computer already there is a file with the name leap. I want to overwrite. So S. Now compile this program. For compilation, what is the use of compilation? To convert this C language program into object file. So go to compile, then click on compile. Direct shortcut key is Alt plus F9. Here's C. Warnings 0, errors 0. Press any key. After compilation, each and every statement converted in the form of object code. In the compilation process, if there is any error present in this program, it will be displayed. In this program, there is no warning and there is no error. Now execute this program. To run the program, shortcut key is Ctrl plus F9. Now see here, enter any year. For suppose 1987, enter. 1987 is non-leap year. Yes, correct. Press any key from the keyboard. Again execute the program. No need to compile again and again. Ctrl plus F9 is the shortcut. Now I want to enter 2020. See, 2020 is a leap year. Again I want to execute Ctrl plus F9 or go to run menu, then click on run. Now year is 2000. Given year 2000 is a leap year. Again Ctrl plus F9. Now I want to enter 1700. Then given year 1700 is a non-leap year. See the execution of this program step by step. Go to run menu. Alt plus R is the shortcut. Go to run. Then select trace into. Select trace into. Shortcut key is F7. Directly press F7. I want to escape this. Press F7 to trace this program, F7. The execution of this program starts from main. Again press F7. Then directly control comes to clear screen. Memory is allocated for the variable y. Then enter any year. Now scanf. Enter any year. 1987. You can take any year. For example, I have entered 1987. Now press any key. Now see, control comes to if condition. Then if this condition true, then inner block will be executed. But here condition is false. Directly control comes to next if block, else if block. Again press F7. That statement will be executed. Then output is 1987 is a non-leap year. Press any key. Then F7. This is a trace out the program. Again start to trace the program by entering another year. Then you can get a clear idea. See in this program, first suppose if I give semicolon here, again compile this program, Alt plus F9. Here there is an error. What is that error? Misplaced else. Here it shows misplaced else error because here if is terminated by semicolon. There is no if, then what is this else? That's why it displays misplaced else. So here check if condition, then delete this semicolon. These are usual mistakes. Don't do like that. And here y modulo 100 equal to 0. In this programming language, equal to is for comparison. If you use a single equal to, that is assignment. If you use a single equal to, RHS value is assigned to LHS variable. But suppose here at the end of this statement there is semicolon, I want to delete that. Again compile this program, it shows an error. What is that error? Statement missing semicolon. Press enter key, then see here statement missing semicolon on line number 9. See here, cursor is blinking in the place of a scanf, but statement missing semicolon is at printf. Because here there is no line terminator, that's why cursor goes to this line. If you got a statement missing semicolon error, then check for that error above line of the cursor. So here there is no semicolon. Write this semicolon. Again Alt plus F9, then Control plus F9 to execute. See here the use of clear screen function. Here I used clear screen. Here see the result screen. To go to the output screen, Alt plus F5 is the shortcut key. See, enter any year. Entered year is 1987. That is a non-leap year is the result. Press any key to go back. Because of the clear screen, at output screen, there is only one result, last execution result. For suppose there is no clear screen in this program. I don't want to delete that clear screen. Simply, I placed that function within comment section. So compiler does not identify that sentence. So again compile it. Now execute it. See, enter any year. But suppose 450 year. Enter 450 is a non-leap year. Again press any key. Again compile. Execute. See, previous result not cleared because there is no clear screen in this program, because that is present in comment section. That is the use of comments and clear screen function. If you like the way of explanation, please hit the like button and do subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you. To come out from this editor, Alt F to select a file menu, then quit.